It's Sustainable Energy Week in Europe, and that means lots of talk about energy security and climate change. In an opening session, high-level officials stressed the need for a long-term sustainable future.
If we really want to solve the energy and economic crisis, we have to put the money where it is most effective. Cities need new models of urban development in order to meet all the demands in a sustainable manner.
400 cities are expected to officially pledge their commitment to drastically reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 2020. Global warming has become a priority for the European Union, prompting it to call for immediate action.
We are going to need a new agreement that is ambitious enough to match the severity of the climate challenge we face, that is entailing efforts that will ensure that global temperature will not increase beyond 2 degrees Celsius.
The Earth's average surface temperature has gone up by nearly 1 degree Celsius since 1850. If no action is taken, scientists predict a further increase of up to 6 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Another major concern for the European Union: energy security. Last month, European Commission President José Manuel Barroso had to meet with Russian officials in a bid to help resolve the gas price dispute between Ukraine and Russia. The crisis affected gas supplies to Europe, leading to severe and deadly shortages in Eastern Europe. To solve the problem, Europe has plans of bringing gas from the Caspian Sea and the Middle East through the Nabucco pipeline.
We have made next steps, and there have been important progress made, and we expect gas by the beginning of 2015.
But problems remain. Shareholders of the €10 billion project have already secured gas supplies from Azerbaijan, but analysts say this will not be enough to make the project viable. We asked the Commissioner if Europe would be willing to accept gas from Iran, as Tehran has already offered.
We will continue work with Iran, but at this stage the most important issue in the relations of the EU with Iran is nuclear enrichment, because as soon as it is being dealt with satisfactorily, definitely we can go in other areas of energy sector to find ways to work together.
The Energy Sustainable Week will outline a new Green Deal for Europe, a deal European officials hope to turn into a global initiative in the upcoming Copenhagen meeting in December of this year. Anna Moya, Press TV, Brussels.